day to you. My name is Typhiod. I'm the product manager for New White Pharmaceuticals. Today, I'll be taking you through how we use health check typhoid bacteria test cassettes. Health check typhoid bacteria test cassettes can detect Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi. That means that the two strains of bacteria causing typhoid can be detected by using this test cassette. If you purchase your test cassette from a pharmacy, then it is easy to use. You can actually ask your pharmacist to take you to the direction, or you can also, by watching this video, be able to do your tests at home. To start with, open up your test cassette pack. Inside, you find a foil containing your test cassette. Inside, then you have your dilution bottle, buffer dilution bottle. Also, you will find your alcohol pad, which is your spirit and your cotton wool swab. Also, you will find in it the leaflet. Going through it to explain in details how to also use this test cassette to be a good guide for you. Inside this pack also is included a lancet. This is for piercing your finger and getting your blood sample. I'd like you to know that health check bacteria test cassette, that is health check typhoid bacteria test cassette, can use both blood sample and also stool sample. The same method you use for both. In this case, different samples, which can be blood or your feces, and that's the stool. When you open up your foil pack, you have inside the test cassettes, you have your pipettes, and like I said, your buffer dilution bottle. Clean up your finger with the alcohol pad, or in instances where you have two samples available, then you open up your buffer, take your stool sample and put it inside the buffer. You can also use it again by piercing the buffer into the stool sample, maybe in 3 portions, then inoculate your buffer. Dilute gently by mixing and shaking your bottle. For instances where you are using whole blood, all you need to do is clean up your finger. Clean your finger appropriately. Lacerate your finger with the lancet. Open up the cap, reveal your pin, and then pierce your finger. When you do that, your blood is out for use. Take up your pipette and take some blood sample. You can even get more samples so that you can do it just once. Press your pipette top, touch your blood and release your finger. It immediately sucks up your blood. Open up your buffer bottle like this and introduce your blood. Rinse your blood into the buffer, dispose appropriately, and cover up your buffer bottle. You need to shake your bottle gently for easy dilution of your blood. When you do this about 5 to 10 times, break up the seal of your buffer bottle. When you do so, then your buffer is ready for use. Take up your diluent into the sample bottle indicated as S over here. I'm sure you're able to see it. This is the sample bottle as S. Put in your dilution into the sample bottle, about 3 to 4 drops. Then allow your test cassette to take up your reading. There are 2 expected indices on your sample bottle, on your sample test cassettes. You have the control line and we have the test line. The C is the control line. You are expected to see a line across the C if you have actually done your testing right, appropriately. If you have bacteria Salmonella typhi or Salmonella paratyphi, you have them indicated as Salmonella typhi for the line number 1 and Salmonella paratyphi for number 2. In this instance, we have the control line as indicating a red line, and then we will wait for our results to be ready. Results are usually ready within 5 to 10 minutes. We disregard our Casette result after 15 minutes according to WHO standards.